Hi, I'm Dan from UK Moneyman, and today I'd like to talk to you about paying off a lifetime mortgage early. So, a lifetime mortgage is just a mortgage like any other. It's a loan secured against your home, and in its purest form it is designed to last for the rest of your life and to be repaid after your death or if you go into long-term care. Now, the demand from consumers and advisors has been so much over the years that the Equity Release Council has worked with lenders to produce a set of standards that guarantees people the right to make payments towards their lifetime mortgages. So the most standard provision for this is that you can overpay by up to 10% of the loan amount each year with no penalty. Now, the various terms of that vary from lender to lender, whether it's 10% of the amount you originally borrowed or 10% of the loan outstanding at the time when you make the payment. So that does vary from lender to lender. But it does mean that you can not only service the interest, but you can pay lumps off the capital as well. So it is possible to repay a lifetime mortgage as you would a normal mortgage with payments over time. Now, with all lifetime mortgages, you have the ability to pay them off at any time if you receive money from another source. Now, generally speaking, if this money is from your own funds and not from the sale of the property under various circumstances, then there's likely to be a penalty in the early years. Now, these penalty periods can vary from 4 to 15 years, and some lenders have more flexibility than others. So again, it's really important to have a chat with an advisor and look at not just what your circumstances are now, but what they're likely to be in 5, 10, 15 years' time. Because if you're likely to receive a lump sum of money through an inheritance or through a maturing investment, then to allow for that at the start will be a lot cheaper than to try and cope with it later on with a product that may be not set up to deal with that. In terms of paying it off early if you move, a lot of lenders have a 5-year restriction on that. So if you move after 5 years and they won't allow you to port the mortgage, so it's a property they won't allow you to move it to, then a lot of lenders would let you repay the mortgage with no repayment penalties. If you move and want to port it with you, that's generally okay as long as the lender agrees to lend on the property. There are lenders out there who will let you move from day one, and if the property doesn't meet your criteria, if the lender's criteria, then they will let you pay off the mortgage. So again, your plans are very important as part of the advice process because it can save you thousands to get that right in the first place.